As part of the annual cleaning drive program, the MLA of the 18 West Shillong constituency, Shri Mohendro Rapsang, formally inaugurated the CCTV installation at a function that was held at the Jayau Langsing Community Hall on 18th December 2020. It may be mentioned that a total of 19 cameras have been installed all over the locality in a bid to curb the increase in theft cases in and around the area. While speaking on the occasion, Mohendro Rapsang said that it is the joint effort and team spirit of the residents of the locality, including members of the Dorbar Shnong, members of the Sengkantay and Seng Samla Jayau Langsning, that have worked together to ensure safety and security of the entire locality.
Nasi pipau ni apa kau juga bos. Kalau kelinting itu, ni kalau masuk kali ke airman dengan provide kita tidak di banyak. Nah kalau dia bukan, dia perlu bukan. Ni tengah berpikir bermalah. Kumi ni tu, pipau ni kerana pemilu, kerja dia berpiru ni. Ni dia tu berubah sekali. Jadi ni beri kedua, ekstrem berubah, ekstrem dia beri kedua. Yang membuat malam nak pergi warna ke orang kita. Long kalau kecil berapa, kecil lagi buat ini. Ini berapa tak mencukupi mana itu.
The Dorbar Shnong also facilitated the principal of Synod College Shillong, Richard Lingdo, for readily cooperating with the authority in handling the accommodation of returnees from other states during the pandemic. While speaking at the function, Richard Lingdo said that the college authorities had already foreseen the need for accommodating returnees in the hostel premises of the college, and when requested by the Dorbar Shnong to do so, he along with members of the management went all out to lend their support and help the Shnong with its requirements.
Government, lani ka Shnong ka don kam, ni kung ka Synod College pastor, nilong na banay, dobayang kata, nilong don kan hibat ka Shnong na hibat ka government. Di dengan patay ini, di tay kini atli building jong ka PG block, kita markap pa kini jong di Dengriel, kita long attach bathroom for one ka floor. Di kapaham ni air itu, di nggak ada kekerasan depan, orang langsung tuh ya itu kopor, bah, kikon sama juni kibalok kipala, kipersa kijuni, napok kesenong di kibon, kipopulis apa, bah, hak itu kopor dan ketika lockdown, nak keberdaun di COVID-19, sewan bahasa senong, bah kesenong kesesiap jie, bah, tang hadin sisi asli ber melio ega phone call na po I pastor kongwet komod kala sulong ben kalong ke namal ba so to ba ide baro I de kingelam ko jung play ba nila anticipate rupai ki te khari ko por kum unam song hi po so jawan snake kami kong kalau ke belum ni ayu play ben kot ki jemot ci perkhat jungi bahadin padon kam nim dadon kam so khat ita banyak rai la ne bangnya yu they long ready lupa bagaimana.
Keeping in mind the standard operating procedure set by the government, those who attended the function were the headman of Jayau Langsning, Arlan Sun, besides selected members of the Sengkantay and Seng Samla Jayau Langsning, along with the General Secretary of the Dorbar Shnong Jayau Langsning, LD Lingdo, who also chaired the meeting.